What's up guys, it's Rex from R1 Concepts. We're in the shop today. We have a 2018 Porsche Panamera Turismo in for a big upgrade. All right, so we got the wheels off. Here's the factory brake system. It's a 6-piston caliper, 390mm rotor. We're gonna be upgrading to an 8-piston and a 405mm rotor, and definitely gonna be adding a lot more pop in this wheel well. Just wrapped up this 2018 Porsche Panamera Turismo. As you can see, the brakes look good. They perform even better. Drove this thing around, stopped on a dime. As you can tell from the factory brakes to these brakes, this has a lot more pop, looks really well under that black wheel. If you do have questions about this build or your build, if you don't see your application online, hit us up on our socials, check out our page, r1concepts.com, reach out to us and we'll get back to you.